Hi, I'm here today to talk about how I pack a Duluth Pack Bushcrafter pack. So this here is one of the larger packs that Duluth Pack makes. This is made specifically for outdoor use. Kind of one thing I like about it is it just has a lot of bells and whistles on it. Has some lashing tabs here at the top and some extra buckles on the side, front pockets, axe sleeve, and very spacious interior with a little zip pocket up here. Now, if you want to keep your gear dry, one thing you can definitely do is use a pack liner or maybe like a garbage bag or anything that's going to line the interior. Now, what I like to do is actually just keep everything I want dry into a dry bag, because that way I can kind of pack it down a little bit better. So what I have in here is a sleeping bag and extra clothes, and that'll usually be the first thing I'll pack into a bag. Next I'm going to pack in is some extra fuel canisters. Those down here. Also, when I go camping, I usually like to bring a hammock. And of course, hammock straps. And then I have my MSR wind burner stove for cooking food and boiling water. And there's still plenty of space in here, so I'm just going to put an extra layer on top there so I can reach that later if I want it. And then also a rain jacket I'm just going to put right here at the top so I can grab that quickly if it rains. There's still a little bit of room here, so what I'm going to do is use my camera bag, and that's going to be the last thing I put here. It's a weatherproof camera bag. So that's all packed up in there, and kind of what I have in these front pockets here, and kind of what I like them for is that you can just kind of fit all your extra stuff in here. So in this pocket, I'm going to keep a portable charger, knife, headlight, and some other stuff just here at the bottom, first aid kit that can just reach easily. That all fits in there. There's plenty of room for some more little stuff, and I'm going to buckle that up. Then on this side, I have some bungees at the bottom, and then I just have my water bottle that I have for the weekend that fits in there. And then on the outside here, I love my Grandsfors Brook axe. It's a small forest axe. It fits right perfectly into the sleeve pocket. And that way I can just grab it easily whenever I need it. And then on the sides here, for these buckles, this is actually where I carried my tripod. Now, obviously, my tripod is being used by my camera right now, so I can't really show you, but I do strap my tripod onto the side there on the buckles. Like I said before, there are these lashing tabs here at the top, and I absolutely love these lashing tabs because you can fit in any sort of length strap. And what I'll do is have my bedding, just an egg carton foam pad there. And I'll strap that down to the top of the bag. Then there are some D-rings here that you can clip on, even some more stuff there. And that is kind of how I pack my Bushcrafter pack. Pretty much everything I need for a weekend, and there's definitely room for some more stuff, room in these pockets, and right behind these front pockets there is even some slip pockets behind here that you can even fit if you needed to, like another axe or tent poles or something like that. Another thing I like about the Bushcrafter pack, it does have these padded straps on the back here, which are super comfortable, and it does have this sternum strap here, so when you are carrying a heavy load, that sternum strap kind of helps keep things kind of weighted nicely on your shoulders.